Designed for the tropical environment, green dwellings set out to create a beautiful, contemporary, healthy living space while reducing waste and the carbon footprint. Green dwellings' stunning contemporary design employ the most innovative, state-of-the-art energy-saving techniques. Using only recycled and renewable materials, this new philosophy of building focuses on reduced energy consumption. Our method of building is new too. Unlike the old way of site construction that is very wasteful, subject to the elements, and time-consuming, our modular homes are built in a controlled factory facility, making this product competitively priced. The solid construction of steel and concrete, with impact windows, meet the highest hurricane standards. All of our factories are supervised by experienced professionals. We feature LED lighting throughout the entire home. Our insulation consists of non-toxic recycled content, guaranteed for life. We can ship to the Gulf States, Florida Keys, and the Caribbean islands. You buy the land, and we deliver the house in approximately 3 months. The house arrives 90% complete. The kitchens and baths are finished. It is wired and plumbed and already inspected at the factory by the state of Florida. Some of our energy-saving features include state-of-the-art solar electric, solar hot water panels, and water collection for irrigation. The bathrooms include water-saving plumbing fixtures and dual flush toilets. 5-star energy-efficient appliances complete this kitchen. Solar, smart, sustainable. Let's talk about your new home.